Hey, you wonderful weirdos, welcome back to the Evil Lair Projects and Builds, where we're going to do something a little different in this one. I'm going to make this image right here. That's right, we're going to do a welding project and we're going to make this. The reason why is, I don't know, but this kind of steel little metal statue of a guy going up these unsupported steps is very striking to me, and I very much like it. And I wanted to see if I can replicate it the best way I can using some old round rod that I had laying around, old ball bearing. I don't even know where this came from. Half by half square tubing for the steps, and just some, again, just junk, just a bunch of junk that I had laying around. And I don't like just throwing things away. Or a base plate, like seriously, that's my base plate. Pretty sure that's part of a project. Alright, so we're going to put all this together. Kind of got my little model here. I did a really bad drawing back here. But ultimately, at the end of the day, I'm not really sure. We're going to have to play this one very much by ear and just kind of work the metal as we go through it. So that's enough talking. Let's jump into it. We got to start cutting everything up. Let's go.
Popping on the west side, cause it's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. Popping on the west side, cause it's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. I'ma blow today. I ain't hearing what they say. Need a blue face, I've been caring about a race. I've been trying to eat, I need more than just a taste. Now they trying to talk, oh no, they should know their place. Man, I'm ballin', this ain't cap, baby, now I feel like calling. From the O, but I got the music poppin'. All the time, man, it started to get obnoxious. Now I gotta drive, yeah, I'm feeling nauseous. Gotta drive top down, then I hop out. I've been feeling hot now, feeling like the man, I'm my own boss now. Telling all my exes, now they getting crossed out. Popping on the west side, cause it's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. Popping on the west side, cause it's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. I already blew up, man, I knew I would, okay. Who the hell is you to tell the dude that I ain't great? Play my work, then work my plan, and now I'm on my straight. I soak up the love and I repel all of the hate. Big Sage, why they tryna play us? I make 20 racks to wrap up on the stage, I invested that right back to my estate, Dinner table, everyone gon' get a play, Started with $5 bills, shoot for dollars in the Ville. I'm in the villa, I'm counting the skrilla. My mama say I gotta chill. Turn it down, record deals. Now I got a couple mil. Automated all the bills. I'm concerned about the thrills. I'm on a yacht with a big booty, 10 out of 10, little mama. I'm on a tour bus, moving around the country, counting money in pajamas. I don't deal with any drama. You gotta email my sister. That's my assistant. I'm about to be in this. God is my witness. Popping on the west side, cause it's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. Popping on the west side, cause it's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face.
Alright, weirdos, boom! So we got it welded up, got it cleaned up a little bit. So what we're going to do now is we're going to shoot it with some paint. Right, do primer, do a couple of coats of that. And then I think I'm going to go with, I'm looking at my paint cans, probably go with copper on this one. I think that would really make it stand out and maybe hide my welds a little bit better because they're not perfect. But yeah, so far I kind of like the way this is going. Let's shoot this with some paint. It also gives me another excuse to play another song for you. So if you like it, let me know down below. I'm kind of just playing around with music right now. Let's go.
Said I'm taking big shots, just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. pissed off. Thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. Just stop, way I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. They been trying to get me cheap like a thrift shop, but I told them it's my time, shit the wristwatch. They been talking way before they even doing something. Whoa. If they wanna play, let's get a tip off. Ain't no silver lining, dawg, this some rose gold. Getting new money, I'm a old soul. Yeah, I get it bouncing like a pogo. Whoa. And I'm too cold like Frozone. And my chick elastic, girl. Told him we ain't in the faking, this ain't plastic, girl. Bought a new whip and cash, now my tax is thorough. Way I'm shooting like step, but my pass is bro. The way I'm playing the field, I'm in a league of my own. And now they all in their fields, I got them all on my phone. But dog, I'm hitting the climb, I got no time on the low. Way I'm shooting is messy, the way I'm hitting the goals. I'm taking big shots, just stop. Way I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. Just stop, way I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. I just left, but you know I'm coming back though. Whoa. And you know I don't play by my rags though. Now go and turn it up to the max, whoa. Send a paper to me now like a fax, whoa. Yeah. Got 2 phones ringing off the hook now. When I'm in the city, I get looks now. I was going bad, but I'm good now. Said I had to go and put my foot down. Told him I'ma get it and go. Even in the summer, man, they knowing I'm cold. I got a couple checks coming that I made off the flows. Might get a couple more popping if I do it some more. I gotta do it for real. Said I'm back in my bag. All my digits are climbing just like they all on a dash. And they tell me slow down, cause dog, I'm moving too fast. Might go and cop me a Tesla, cause dog, I still got a gas. Said I'm taking big shots. Just stop, way I'm driven, no pit stops.
Alright, you wonderful weirdos. Check it out. We got him done. Climbing up to his infinite steps there. I like the way this came out. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of time like cleaning everything up. I just kind of wanted to let some of the imperfections just kind of happen, like the step being slightly off kilter. And I think it makes it look like it's floating a little bit more. And even when I put down the spray paint, you'll see the kind of daubing, and it kind of gave it this kind of liquid effect, I guess. I don't know. Looks like his hands are kind of melting into it, like they're, yeah. So I like this. I like the way it came out. I thought, yeah, we could have cleaned up the welds a little bit better, but again, even the imperfections of this, I think, are truly what make it unique. So I'm super happy with this. We'll definitely look at doing some more stuff like this here in the Evil Lair Projects and Builds. Think about giving us a like. Come on by, and we'll make some cool stuff. All right, guys, I got nothing else. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.